Hi guys, in this video we will talk about DEF Corporation. It is one of the biggest firms in USA, and we talk about how this company DEF Corporation implemented information system for solving many of its problems. So DEF Corporation is a large multinational US based firm that is in the high technology engineering industry. It is considered a market leader in its own space and has a presence over more than 100 countries. It has an office in India also, which has over 10,000 employees. The Indian business has grown significantly, especially in last 2 decades, and the firm now operates almost independently of its parent company and handles business in many other countries like in Europe, in Middle East, in Africa, and also in India, in many parts of India. The India office manages operations such as design, engineering, sales, and also marketing. The firm has extended its operations to 12 cities in India. So DEF's India's business has grown strongly, and in order to sustain this, the board of DEF decided to upgrade its information system. The system were intended to support efficiency in operations and also in innovation and growth. The firm's board settled on some key objectives for the system, such as the system would assist with data storage to handle the massive amounts of data being generated and also to remain consistent with its other operations, sister operations. It would assist the workflows and process across the organization, and also it would assist with faster decision making. The board also decided to leverage cloud infrastructure in the firm, which would help to interoperate with numerous different kinds of devices being used by the employees and also by the partner organizations. So they wanted to go with a web-based centralized architecture to which the existing legacy functions could easily be connected. Further, the centralized architecture would also enable vendors supplied system. It means suppose the vendor has different systems, then it can be easily connected by using cloud. Suppose the vendors are using some different enterprise resource planning systems, then these all can be interconnected and work seamlessly with the firm system. A key decision that the board took was to hire and maintain a permanent in-house IT team that would manage the infrastructure. So this was necessary as the firm wanted to scale up its business quickly and also wanted all the details, know how its operation and practices to be known by its own employees. I mean, it wanted its own employees to know the complexity of information technology, to know how it works, so that in situations, in emergency situations, it can call its own employees rather than the partner's employees, the partner's IT organization's employee. So these employees could be called upon at short notice help with the extensions of the system and for further design and implementation or any type of management task. So DEF planned to roll out the system which had many modules. I mean, the system which DEF was using previously had many modules, like a separate module for human resource, separate for research and development, separate for marketing. So information system was distributed, not centralized, or you can say uncentralized. So in this manner, it was not able to have a centralized view of a unique view of a common view for all the systems for upper management. So they have planned to roll out this system with many modules, and this would provide them with data and insight on how to further improve workflows and data uses. The system was implemented and DEF then undertook a thorough analysis of the processes and workflows by looking closely at wait times of decisions, approval cycles, routing complications, and also query delays. So now, by using the centralized system, DEF was able to understand the possible wait times, means possible, you can say, complications where the information or so the management was able to identify choke points and bottlenecks for decision making and address this in later rollouts of the system. So by this case study, we can learn that information system can provide upper management a centralized view so they can plan accordingly, and it was not possible with previous systems like module based information systems where they have to it was tough to integrate all those data and to have a common view. Friends, in next video we will come with a different case study. We will learn about new things in for this video. Thank you.